Welcome to our journey into entrepreneurship. Get ready to ignite your entrepreneurial spirit and explore the exciting world of starting your own venture. Embark on an exciting journey into the world of entrepreneurship. We'll guide you through essential concepts, mindsets, and strategies for building a successful venture. Discover the opportunities, challenges, and rewards that await you. Here's what we'll cover: understanding entrepreneurship, the entrepreneurial process, funding your venture, building a brand, scaling your business, and overcoming challenges. Let's dive into understanding entrepreneurship, the foundation of our journey. An entrepreneur is an individual who initiates, develops, and manages a business venture, embracing risks with the goal of making a profit while contributing to economic growth. Entrepreneurship involves creating, developing, and managing a business venture. It is marked by innovation and risk-taking. Key concepts include opportunity recognition, innovation, and resourcefulness. Entrepreneurship drives economic growth and creates jobs. Innovation is the backbone of entrepreneurship, enabling entrepreneurs to create unique products and services that meet market needs and drive competitive advantage. Entrepreneurship fuels economic growth by generating new jobs and fostering competition. It also drives social change by addressing community needs through innovative solutions. Successful entrepreneurs embrace risk and view failures as learning opportunities. They have a clear vision and deep passion, motivating them to remain focused and committed. Successful entrepreneurs have vision, resilience, and determination. They embrace challenges and learn from failures, seeing potential in every situation. Next, we'll explore the entrepreneurial process, a crucial aspect of turning ideas into reality. Discover diverse sources of business ideas and explore creativity techniques that can inspire unique business concepts, igniting the spark of innovation. Learn about understanding your target market and conducting competitive analysis to tailor business solutions that resonate deeply. The entrepreneurial journey involves idea generation, validation, execution, and scaling. Each step is crucial for building and growing a successful business. Uncover the components of an effective business plan and delve into financial projections and budgeting to secure funding and ensure sustainable growth. Now, let's discuss funding your venture, an essential part of bringing your business to life. Bootstrapping allows founders to maintain ownership and control while fostering creativity. However, it may limit resources, requiring resilience and innovation to overcome financial constraints. Understanding the differences between loans, grants, and equity investment is crucial. Mastering the art of pitching to investors can make a compelling case for why they should support you. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo empower creators to share their ideas. Success lies in understanding the platforms, setting clear goals, and promoting effectively through social media. Analyzing market trends, solving real-world problems, and identifying the right customers are key to identifying opportunities for your product. To ensure your idea is viable, start by creating a minimum viable product, MVP, to test the market. Gather customer feedback on the MVP and use this information to iterate and improve the product. Developing a solid business model is crucial. Focus on defining your value proposition, identifying customer segments, determining revenue streams, and outlining key resources needed for success. A comprehensive business plan includes an executive summary, market analysis, financial projections, and a detailed company description. This plan will guide your business strategy and attract potential investors. Building a strong team involves recruiting the right talent, hiring effectively, and fostering a positive company culture. A cohesive team is essential for achieving your business goals. Creating a strong brand is vital for business success. Your brand should resonate with your target audience and differentiate you from competitors. Crafting your brand story involves connecting with your audience on an emotional level. Visual elements like logos, color schemes, and typography are crucial in creating a memorable brand identity. Effective marketing strategies include digital marketing essentials and traditional approaches. Combining these techniques can enhance your brand's presence and engage your audience across various mediums. Building a loyal customer base requires genuine interaction and delivering value. Encouraging feedback and continuous improvement fosters a community where customers feel valued and engaged. Scaling your business involves expanding your reach and capabilities to meet growing demands. This process is essential for long-term success and sustainability. To grow your business, consider expanding product lines and entering new markets. Diversifying offerings and researching demographics can attract new customers and increase revenue streams. Improving operational efficiency involves automating processes and managing resources effectively. Streamlining tasks and optimizing resource allocation can enhance productivity and reduce costs. Hiring for growth means recruiting individuals who align with your vision. Cultivating a strong company culture enhances employee satisfaction and retention, fostering innovation and collaboration. Entrepreneurs often face financial constraints and market saturation. Understanding funding options and using innovation to stand out can help overcome these obstacles. Financial constraints and competition are common challenges. Navigating these obstacles requires creative thinking and strategic planning to ensure business growth and sustainability. Adapting to change and seeking mentorship are key strategies for resilience. Embracing change as an opportunity and learning from experienced individuals can guide you through challenges. Defining and measuring success is important for motivation. Recognizing milestones, big or small, helps build confidence and maintain momentum in your entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring for your entrepreneurial endeavors.